This training will present changes and updates introduced to the SQPQ Event Management Standard 2. Standard 2 has been updated to reflect our new way of working as a key management process. 3 important improvements have been introduced. The first is how the document-based Standard 2 has been transformed into our operating model and replaced by the key management process called Event Reporting and Investigation. The second is how functions can now enter function-specific events in Quest. The third are modifications introduced in Quest to accelerate our continuous improvement cycle by increasing visibility of NPT by key process, function, and process enabler. Beginning with the key management process, event reporting and investigation. The operating model now replaces the written standard. This means that the standard is fully described and governed as a set of visualizations available in handbooks and governed as a key management process. The governed key management process can be viewed in the Schlumberger Process Explorer, also known as the SPX application. Moving to the next section, we can see how the team members of each function, here as an example for sales and commercial, are supported with easy-to-follow visualizations in the handbook. This, along with the function-specific severity matrices, guides them in the process of event reporting and investigation. The severity matrices are defined by each function and describe the loss criteria and severity levels for light, serious, major, or catastrophic events reported by that function. Here again, an example for sales and commercial. This guidance provides the basis for how the function will monitor events, learn, and take proactive actions to improve their processes. Moving to the last section, we will now present the main changes in Quest, which increase the speed of continuous improvement by introducing process enablers and the Schlumberger Light Investigation Method, or SLIM for short. We previously introduced the method to assign NPT by responsible party. By identifying the key process and specific activity as the cause of a loss, we can understand which function is responsible for improving the process outcome. Additionally, the process enabler allows that function to focus on the specific area where lack of process control needs to be improved or restored. However, investigations can take 3 months or more, during which time we have a large portion of NPT not assigned to any responsible function. This time lag can cause a lack of visibility to the responsible function and can delay corrective actions to prevent reoccurrence. To increase visibility, we are therefore reducing the time to perform a SLIM for light and serious events from currently 90 days to 7 days. SLIMs only requires the completion of 2 sections to finish this simplified investigation, as will be shown in the demo. As serious and light events make up a large part of all NPT, earlier visibility will allow each function to accelerate improvement actions for their activities. The event reporting and investigation key management process reflects this change as shown in the table. We will now demonstrate the ease of completing a SLIM in Quest. As a reminder, on the SQ main page, the reporter selects where in the process a service quality loss was identified. For this example, we will choose the process Product and Service Delivery, Metro Stop, Execute Job, and the activity Perform Service. Once the SQ main page has been completed and saved, the Investigation and Review tab becomes mandatory, as indicated by the red-coloured tab. Clicking on the tab takes the reporter to the SLIM investigation. For this example, we will assume the tool did not work. To initiate the investigation, the reporter selects Add Items, which opens a new window. The first entry requires the selection of a process enabler. The process enablers provide a simplified cause classification that identify the lack of process control. Hovering over a question mark provides information about each process enabler. As the tool failed in this example, the reporter chooses Core Technology. The second entry requires the reporter to select the process, metro stop, and activity where the failure that caused the loss originated from. In this example, the failure points to TLM, Asset Maintenance and Sustaining, the metro stop, Maintain Asset, and the activity, Maintain Activity. The last section allows the addition of comments, which are optional. The reporter can describe what failed on the tool. For example, tool lost communication downhole. At this point, the SLIM can be saved and the reporter is prompted if they want to add an action item. This is an optional step, and to show how it works, we will accept by clicking OK. This opens the familiar action item interface. After completing and saving the action item, the investigation is complete, provided no other causes are evident. If other causes associated with the failure were identified, the reporter can continue to add additional loss of process controls by simply selecting Add Items again. After saving one SLIM cause, the reporter can complete the investigation by selecting SLIM Investigation Complete, followed by Save Data. At this point, the SLIM investigation is complete and NPT has been assigned. It should be noted that the review process for SLIM investigations is kept at geomarket level to allow for the short 7-day turnaround time. The completion of a SLIM provides the final NPT allocation unless a product line or function opts on a case-by-case basis to perform an additional SCAT investigation, in which case the SCAT will overwrite the SLIM NPT once completed. This concludes the training video of how Standard 2 has been updated to reflect our new way of working as a key management process.